Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm cooking spaghetti bolognese inspired by my dad's recipe. First up, prepare your ingredients. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Dice your onions. Mince the garlic. Slice the mushrooms. And dice the carrots. Next we're going to brown the mince on a medium-high heat with the bacon. After that, soften the onion and the garlic. Next, add the mushrooms and carrots. Add the chopped tomatoes. Tomato puree. Tomato ketchup. 1 stock cube. 2 teaspoons of oregano. Season with salt and pepper. Bring the sauce to the boil and simmer on a low heat for about 45 minutes. Cook the spaghetti according to the packing instructions and serve with the sauce and the Parmesan. That was how to cook spaghetti bolognese. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.